One word for it, mild. Mild. Here's Helen.
Thanks, Lakshmi Roger. I would add exceptionally mild to the start of that, because it was yesterday exceptionally mild, record-breaking for a New Year's Eve. Now, New Year's Day records is a little longer standing, back to 1916, so 100-year-old at least. 15.6. That was set in Bude. Now, the warmest I can see at the moment, 14.2 across the west coast of Wales. So it is feasible that we will see that record broken today, because again, as yesterday, we just have these really mild winds blowing across our shores, coming right the way up from the tropics. And that's why it often determines our temperature, actually, the wind direction. As well as that, though, we do have low pressure sat to the northwest of us, so it's throwing in quite a few showers and this band of rain on our cold weather front and strong winds. But that said, because the wind is so strong, it's blowing through quite quickly. So for most, it won't be more than an hour or so of rain on that weather system. You can see it's making its way now, exiting Wales, in fact, already. So sunny spells follow behind across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales. It is windy, though, as I say, and there could be the odd rumble of thunder on that weather front as it moves through. But the showers will continue. They'll be more prevalent in the north and west through the afternoon, those gale force winds blowing them in. But the temperatures are expected to get to between 14 and 16. Most parts, even northern Scotland, which was about 7 or 8 yesterday, will be bathed in that milder air today. The showers continue for a time overnight, and then another bout of rain moves in across England and Wales. So again, with the cloud and the rain and the winds continuing, the night will be mild, as we'll see during the day. In fact, the nighttime temperatures are more akin to what we should see during the day at this time of year. So very mild to start our 2022, and it continues that way on Sunday. Rain blows away from the east, sunny spells follow, more showers in the north and west, more rain coming across England and Wales, or showery rain. But again, not a washout. There'll be some drier weather around. But tomorrow's temperatures are just a notch down, and that's because the wind direction is changing tomorrow from that south-southwesterly to a more westerly breeze through the latter part of tomorrow into Monday. And then it's all to play for late Monday and Tuesday. Rain spilling up from the south, but you may have noticed, yes, a change in the north. A weather front starts to drift southwards, and behind it, some Arctic air. So some colder weather is on the way for the start of next week. For Monday, as I say, we've got this weather front coming into the south later in the day. We've got a band of showery rain heading southwards with wintry showers following on behind. By the time we get to Tuesday, all that's moved out the way, and we've got this cold blast. But again, it doesn't look as if it will last, that blast of cold air, just for a day or two at the most for many of us. Back to you two.
Helen, thank you. I'm going to write the word exceptionally on my weather notes. Exceptionally mild.
See you later.